I love Do Not Disturb. That's the best shit they ever invented. The way y'all be acting out here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa. Yup. You talking content and algorithms. Meanwhile the contents of what's up in the... Nah, forget it. They download this, be devout as Christians. You sound broken, town hopeless. Al Copeland, how I count a chicken. Rappers consider me a peer. I'm like, how? Forget it. It ain't even close as it may appear. Let's look at how we living. Let's look. I'm Benz whipping right now, past you in that lousy Civic. Sound convinced it's George Muir signing the crowd with midgets. Now admit it, I've been nicer since the price was low. Heavy chain, married to the game since the rice was thrown. I might go 30 for 30, rocking a blindfold. Made enough to quit cold turkey. I'm still that guy though. You see me on my own world tour. I'm not a tag along. More proceeds to procure long as there's cash involved. Dudes who came in at the same time didn't last as long. Yo, where you Fuck at? It, I could give them employment. I got a package for them. You need help. Nah, in fact, you need more than that. Really got it. Shit in my wallet's like an almanac. I remember when the plug wouldn't call me back. Now my phone on silent. Nah, I'm falling back. You need help. Nah, in fact, you need more than that. Really got it. Shit in my wallet's like an almanac. I remember when the plug wouldn't call me back. Now my phone on silent. Nah, I'm falling
now the
back.
shit popping, I don't answer at all. To be fair, even back when it wasn't, I were answering calls. Trawler man back with a whore. Banging a door. The young Sonny Dior, head to toe in Christian Dior, dripping in sauce. At the stove about to whip up some more. Hit it raw, the British Raj, running up her bill at the Taj. This bizarre world is ours, from the bar to the bazaar. Bourgeois, that was close but no cigar. Big bowl of sarg while I'm smoking on the Tsar. Had to tell him, don't ring my phone unless it's urgent. Come on, and definitely don't text me unless we met in person. I'm a deity. All these rappers sound the same to me. Just a bunch of junkies with ADD. I just spilled spaghetti sauce on my APC. Life's a bitch and then you die. AZ.
You need help. Nah, in fact, you need more than that. Really got it. Shit in my wallet's like an almanac. I remember when the plug wouldn't call me back. Now my phone on silent. Nah, I'm falling back. You need help. Nah, in fact, you need more than that. Really got it. Shit in my wallet's like an almanac. I remember when the plug wouldn't call me back. Now my phone on silent. Nah, I'm falling back.